Yo! So guys, it's me Freddy Fazbear. Today I'm playing Minecraft in Roblox. I have Minecraft in my phone, but I guess I'm here. It's nighttime, I think. Yeah. So wait, I'm just gonna do that when it's daytime. To know it's daytime, to know it's daytime, I'm gonna do that. They can't go here because of that. Yeah. Okay. My stone pickaxe is about to break. Look, I got billion. I got so many oak planks and so many cobblestones. What am I supposed to make again? Oh yeah, cool. That's hurt. I'm putting dirt here. Feathers. I'm throwing it so that it organizes by itself. While I make a stick. A billion. Okay. How did you spawn? Free food, I guess. There's no hunger bar. You can eat to get health. I wish that was actually like real life. I can have some torches. Can have some torches. I'm gonna switch that to there. Can have some torches, yeah. Since it's pretty dark over here, I need a new pickaxe. Cause there's some iron. Let's place that there. Bro, this guys, this was a whole vine of coal. This was a whole vine of coal, and I wish that turned out to be an iron too. I want that. Don't don't make this only. Really? Oh, okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Okay, at least we got some iron. So when there's a new vine, I gotta like go straight to make it. Imagine I can like imagine I find more iron in this vine. This vine's so big. The whole vine is so big, bro. But the ores that you actually need to craft with, or iron, diamonds like that, they are so little. And then strip mining. So what I do is just, oh, iron. It's day. It's daytime. Get rid of this. Yeah, I gotta like, what? Uh, Look, I did the straight mining process. I went straight. I should have just went straight. Is that iron I see? Yeah, it is. Come on, yup. There's a big vine. Yup. Hold up. There's so many coal right now. Thank you, game. That that pig spawned right in front of me. When there's like no ores, well, okay, no, but when there's no ores when I'm doing this, I usually sometimes where are we going? Oh, okay, good thing. Getting so much iron. Imagine there's another one. Yup, there's the last one. Yup. Mhm. Mhm. Gotta go back then. This is my mining area. This will become a series. It's like I'm gonna get again now. This is just series like building stuff like that. Yeah. But you can complete the game. I mean, I became daytime. Well, it's becoming daytime. I have 22 iron ores. I can bring this with me, but no. Whoever joins me, I'm gonna just gonna remove them. I should have brought the crafting table with me. I'm playing this with a bunch of people. So, so this is part one of the series Minecraft. Not doing the mobile because I'm the only one. I remember myself. Okay, this is what I'm saying about so many Matko. This break. Oh no, 131. That's crazy. That's so crazy, bro. And I already mined. I already mined. Okay. I already mined 131 stuff. Uh oh. I almost made myself stuff. I should. I should like make this. I'll make this a layout. It looks bad. I'll make it some other people. I'll make it in the next episode. But right now I'm focusing on finding ores. And then maybe I'll find some caves. But so like it's straight, I think. See these hands? Fast. I'm just gonna cover these things up. Boom. So you can go straight. This can cover this whole area up. So that won't get confusing. Like this area too. You guys don't know. They won't know. I bet people are gonna say you cheated. When I play with them, saying, "Oh my gosh, you have a bunch of iron." Um, you can do creative mode. If you can in this game, I would have like already created a house. But no, I'm still cooking up stuff. I'm going down deeper and deeper because of these ores. I gotta check on my iron stuff. Look, it's now much organized. Look, that's where I mine the ores. Like that, free food. Oh, bunch of iron. Okay, hold on. I need to make a chest. Hold up, hold on. Editor, I'll make this a lot faster. Okay, I organized. So the iron, just throw that. I got 64 cobblestone. Did I just make a glitch? Yeah, yeah. Oof, I have so much iron that I can make myself. Done. I do the map right here. I have 22 iron. Yeah, 22 iron. That means one, two. Oof, I'm missing a couple iron. But I'll make a iron pickaxe. I'll make some iron tools. I'll replace them. Why am I doing it so slow? Okay, hold on, guys.